Hello. We recently very often come around a question: why is social media important for our business? Why on earth should I be on social media? I'm a offline or a B2B person. I do not need to be on social media. But let me tell you, whatever kind of business you have, whatever nature of business you are in, you should be on social media, and you have to be on social media. If you are not today, and by the end of this session, I am sure that you will be convinced that why you should be on social media. See, for any business, there are three most important factors that determines its growth. So these three factors are its people, the time, and the money. So where do you find all these three elements available at one place? People. There are a lot of people on social media. More than half the population of Earth is today on social media. Is online. I won't say on social media, but is online. So out of about 7.7 billion people, more than 3.5 billion people are online. And at least, if not less, two-thirds people who are online are on social media. Can you afford missing that kind of number? Can your business take the kind of risk of not being where two-thirds of the population that is online today is not touched upon? You cannot, you surely cannot. Even if you think you cannot survive. As I said, people, time, and money. For any business, these are the three most important elements to be successful. Any business does business with people. There is no business in between. It is always, a transaction is always between people to people. So people are the most important factors, and we find them in plenty. Now it is when it comes about time and money. Social media is one thing that saves you a lot of time when you are doing marketing, when you are doing promoting, when you are launching a new product or telling something about your expertise. Social media is the best platform where you can reach out to maximum number of people in the least amount of time and in the most cost effective way. So you save a lot on your money, you save a lot on your time with the maximum number of reach to the maximum number of people. So what on earth can be better than this? With least money spent, least time spent, you are reaching out to the maximum number of people. So do you still think that you can choose to ignore social media for your business? If yes, then I have few more reasons for you. So be with me and I'll tell you what more reasons are there to be on social media. Starting with number one, it is highly cost effective over traditional form of marketing. Just imagine the amount of investment that was required by a traditional form of marketing. You had to have business cards, you had to have leaflets, pamphlets, flyers prepared, and then start with the marketing activities that required a lot of investment and manpower to do the activity. Whereas social media and the marketing with social media is highly cost effective. You can start immediately with as low as 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees kind of an investment, and you can get started. The ROI that we talk about whenever we speak of social media, it is ROI that comes into picture, return on investment, that what we say it to be, that is the highest if we compare it with the traditional form of marketing over the marketing that we do on social media. So the cost effectiveness is the number one point. Number two is the brand awareness. Nothing faster and cheaper could be there on earth to make or create a brand awareness than social media, or than on social media. You can quickly reach out to millions of people and have give them the feeling of your brand, create the awareness around your brand, what your brand is all about, what you deliver, what kind of services, what is the unique thing that you deliver, and everything about your brand. You can reach out to millions of people in the least amount of time and the least amount of money. Third is, social media gives you a brand identity that is much more than just being a business. Like when you create a social media, a Facebook page, or a LinkedIn page for your business or your company, and whenever a content or a post is updated using that Facebook page, people who follow your company page, they get an update and they feel as if the company is talking to them. The company is talking to them via the posts and the contents and the videos that are uploaded to the social media posts pages. So your business becomes more humanized when on social media. Then people start seeing your business in a more humanized way than by just seeing them just as a business. So social media gives your business a different identity that is separate from being an artificial body to something more human in nature. Lead generation and sales. Social media is one thing that gives you the power to generate leads and generate sales by just sitting on your laptop or being on your mobile online. And that is the power of social media. For any other type of sales, you will have to move out, you'll have to connect with people, you'll have to call them, you'll have to do so many activities. But social media is one thing that has made the entire lead generation and the sales process so easy. And you can just put in some money, start the marketing, and have the sales closed. So what better can be there than being on social media? I don't find a reason. You can take quick decisions. You can take quick actions when on social media. With the amount of information available on social media, with the amount of data that you have on social media, you can take very quick decisions and very quick actions using social media. Next is the ease of use. Social media has grown over a period of time so much only because of its ease of use. Anybody can get online and start using social media without having any technical knowledge or any technical degree, and can start marketing, advertising their brand, creating brand awareness, updating contents, posts, doing a lot of activities without having any technical knowledge or understanding. So social media makes everything very easy and in a very user-friendly way, and that is why these social media channels are so famous and are being used by more than 50% of the population. Not everybody is technical out of them. So it's the ease of use and the user friendliness that has made social media a fan. Then is the availability of data and the power of reports that you can generate using social media when you are advertising or marketing on social media. It is about the quick decisions that we spoke of some time back about businesses. It is this power that can make a business or destroy a business. The power of making quick decisions. I put in maybe a lakh rupees or maybe 10,000 bucks in a marketing campaign, and if within 2 days I have the data back from social media of how the money that I have spent is working, I can immediately change my strategy. And before spending any extra dollars, I can change the strategy and implement a different strategy so that I do not spend in a wrong direction. Whereas this was never possible with the traditional media of marketing or advertising. We would have lost lakhs of rupees or dollars by the time some result would have started coming in, or by the time we would have realized that we have taken a wrong decision. So it is the speed of decision making that we can do by using social media. This is one thing that can force you to be on social media and start your business on social media. With changing times, people behavior, people preferences are changing very fast. Earlier it used to be a 5-year or a 10-year time that took for a customer or a person to change in his perception and his behavior, but today things are changing very fast. Today a person might want something else, tomorrow he might want something else, a different technology, an upgraded technology, some other kind of a product. So the preferences are changing extremely fast. So when the customers and their preferences are changing fast, the businesses will have to be with them. Businesses cannot choose to be slow. They will have to be as fast, and actually more fast than how the customers are or the consumers are. You cannot be left behind in the race, because the companies or the businesses that will be ahead of the customer's requirement, the customer's expectation, will only be able to be there right when the customers are needing those products. So you have to be working at the speed of what the social media gives us. That is the power of being very fast and being right when the customer wants your product or your services. So to sum up, I will say that you cannot, and by the time even you would agree to me, that you cannot choose to ignore social media. And in addition to being on social media, I have one more limitation to it. I will say that, most of the people think that, okay, I am comfortable using Facebook or I am comfortable using Twitter. I do not want to move to different social media platforms. But that is something which I cannot do or cannot afford to do, because if my consumers are on Snapchat or are on Instagram or are on TikTok, I will have to be there. I will have to be present there. I cannot choose to be not present because I am not comfortable using that platform, because I haven't used that platform, or that is more youthful, or that is different to what I have been using. I cannot choose to not use or not be there. So I'll have to be visible everywhere on all the social media platforms. So take your business online today and make your business visible on all the social media platforms. Does not matter your business is a B2B business or a B2C business. You have to be on social media. Always be on social media and be active on social media. Be an active user of social media, not just be on social media. So you have to be an active person, active user on social media, and you will yourself will see how things change for you and your businesses when you have started using social media. I hope I have been able to answer some of your queries on social media. And still, if you are left with some questions, feel free to ask me or email me, and I'll be there to help you out. Thank you. Have a great day.